Body farms, where science studies the dead. It's early morning, fog hanging low. Somewhere in the woods, a gate creaks open. Beyond it lies a field, quiet, still, and unsettling. Not because it's abandoned, but because it's full of bodies, human bodies. And no, this isn't a crime scene. It's a research facility. A place where scientists study what happens to us after we die. A place with a name that sounds like a horror movie, but it's actually a cornerstone of forensic science. Today, we're asking the question that feels equal parts morbid and fascinating. How does a body farm actually work? Welcome to The Stuff You Should Think About. I'm G. Let's walk through the gates very, very carefully. What is a body farm? A body farm, officially named a forensic anthropology research facility, is a controlled outdoor lab where bodies that are donated are placed in different environments so scientists can study their decomposition. Think in the sun, in the shade, buried, submerged, wrapped, left exposed, inside cars, under debris. Every scenario mimics a real crime scene. It's not about being creepy, it's about being accurate. Because the more we understand how bodies break down, the better we can investigate and determine the time of death, the cause of death, whether a body was moved, what happened at a crime scene. It's science built on silence or decomposition. The first body farm opened in 1981 at the University of Tennessee. It started with one body. Today, there are several across the U.S. and a handful around the world. Each one is fenced, secured, and monitored. Not because of they're dead and dangerous, but because the living are curious. And because the work inside is sensitive, respectful, and deeply important. Here's the part people always wonder about. When a body arrives, it's logged, documented, and placed in a specific research area. Then the scientists wait. They observe insects arriving, skin changing, gases building, bones becoming exposed, plants reacting, animals interacting, weather speeding up or slowing down decay. Every detail is recorded, every stage is photographed, every insect species is noted. Because bugs are some of the best time of death witnesses on Earth. It's meticulous, it's clinical, it's strangely beautiful in its own way. Why do people donate their bodies? Is it something that you've thought about on death? Most donors choose body farms because they want to help solve crimes long after they're gone. Some people want to contribute to science, some want to avoid traditional burial. Some think it's poetic, returning to the earth in a way that teaches the living. And families often say the same thing. It felt meaningful. Whenever body farms comes up, so do theories. Some people imagine secret experiments. Others think the government uses them for covert research. Some believe they're connecting to a missing persons case. None of that is really true. Body farms are transparent, regulated, and ethical. But they do tap into something primal: our fear of death, our curiosity about decay, and our desire to understand what happens when the story ends. And that's why they fascinate us. So, what should you think about? Body farms aren't creepy. They're not disrespectful. They're not horror movie sets. They're classrooms. They're the reason investigators can solve murders that would otherwise stay cold. They're the reason families get closure. They're the reason science understands the final chapter of the human body. And maybe the real question isn't how body farms work. It's why we're so afraid to talk about what happens after we die. This has been Stuff You Should Think About. I'm G. Swipe up and tell me, does the idea of a body farm freak you out? Or does it make you appreciate forensic science even more? Are you thinking about donating your body to a body farm after death? Stay curious, stay brave, and remember, in the event of death, we can still teach the living.